Hello everyone, today I have for you a short ballet choreography for beginners level. As always, I'm going to be teaching you 3 ballet skills, and right at the end of this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to join them in a short choreography. So say that, let's get to it. The first skill that we're going to learn today is Sauté in Arabesque. And if you never learned to do Sauté in Arabesque, I would recommend you to do it with 2 hands on the bar first, while you follow my instructions, and then you can come back to the center. Classical pose, and fast, we are going to do demi-plie, and we turn petit développé forward. Demi-plie in 4th position, and my back leg is going to do grand battement to arabesque, very fast and dynamic, but my front leg, it's also going to action and move a little bit forward and lift out of the ground. We're going to jump, right? So how are we going to do? That petit développé, arms in 1st position, 4th position demi-plie, arms go to 1st arabesque, and we jump. Now, hold your back so you don't fall out of that arabesque that fast, like me. Let's do it again. Classical pose, demi-plie, plie, sauté. And our next skill, we are going to learn to do pas de bourrée and tournant. Croisé, right leg on the back, coup de pied, demi-plie, hands on the hips. We are going to do 5th position, coup de pied with my left leg in front. Coup de pied, down, half of a turn, that change, right leg in front, coup de pied, and finish plie to the other diagonal. From the back so you see me better. Right leg demi-plie, left coupé, right coupé, demi-plie. And we change from one diagonal to the other one. And our next skill is tombé pas de bourrée finish in failli arabesque. How are we going to do? Diagonal to the back, classical pose, demi-plie, petit développé forward, arms in a 1st position. Now, my toes are going to slide forward and my back leg open to battement jeté, arms in 2nd position. 5th position, right leg open, left leg in front, demi-plie, failli, arabesque. And now we are ready to join the 3 skills in our choreography. Let's begin. Classical pose, right leg on the back. We are going to do 5, 6, 7, plie, petit développé, sauté. 5th position, relevé, left side, petit développé, sauté, 5th position. Demi-plie, piqué 5th position, croisé diagonal to the right, demi-plie to the back, pas de bourrée and tournant. 1, 2, plie. We are going to do 3 steps to the back. 1, 2, 3, plie. And we are going to do tombé, pas de bourrée, failli, arabesque, soutenu to the back. Step to the side, bow, and stretch. For more videos like this one, I would recommend you to click right here or check down below in the description of this video where I'm going to leave a ton of link for you on how to improve your ballet technique. So go ahead, click your next video and let me know how it goes.